describe a special hotel you stayed in, you should say where it is, what it is like, why you went there, how you felt about it. Well, I'm a voracious traveler and have visited a plethora of places around India. This has given me the leisure to explore and stay at different hotels and types of accommodation. Having said that, one stay which I vividly remember is the Peerless Resort in Port Blair, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It so happened that last year, due to extreme heat in Mumbai during the summers, me and my family decided to embark on a vacation to the island to get respite from the extreme climate of Mumbai and to take a breather from our work. As it was an impromptu decision, we had not made a hotel booking in advance, and upon reaching, got to know that all the major hotels were preoccupied due to the holiday season and a medical convention taking place there. But as they say, whatever happens, happens for good. We found this great resort instead of a hotel, and it wasn't disappointing at all. It was a beachfront resort with some excellent views. We got a homestay room with a living, dining, two bedrooms, additional bath, and sitting areas. The place felt like a paradise as I could see the enchanting view of the blue waters of the Bay of Bengal, and the service was excellent. Moreover, me being a great marine life enthusiast, went scuba diving, and I must say it was an unforgettable experience and the most incredible one that I had in my life. Exploring the deep sea in the midst of these amazing, never seen before creatures. To sum it up, the trip was a wonderful experience, especially the resort and the marine exploration.